This is a guide on how you can create a Discord server. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see, we're on the home page of Discord. Please remember that this guide is for the mobile app of Discord, not for the PC version. I've seen a lot of tutorials for the PC version, that's why I'm making one for the mobile app. So as you can see, we're on the home page of Discord. This is the basic format of what you'll see on your screen. On the left, you'll see all the servers that you've joined, and in the end of the list of the servers, as you can see, I'm not in any server, so there's no servers that are indicated here. We just have a plus icon. You have to find it. It's basically, the plus icon is basically below the list of the servers. Okay, so you're gonna click on the green plus icon in the left. As you can see, I've done that. On this page, you will see there's a lot of templates that you can use if you have a theme decided for your server, which is gaming, school club, study group, etc. Okay, but for this guide, we're gonna choose create my own, and we're gonna create our own server. We're gonna click on that. After that, you get two options. You can either choose if you have on this page you get on this page you will get two options. You can either choose if your server is for the club or a community, or you're using your server for some family or friends. Okay, we're gonna go with the friends. On this page, you'll see you get the option to change your server's name. We're not gonna change the name, but you can do it if you want to. You can even add a server icon if you want to. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go with the basic. Click on create server. Now on this page, as you can see, there you get the option to invite your friends if you have any friends on Discord. If you don't, it's fine. You don't really have to do that. Okay, you can skip the option, skip this option. As you can see, there's a button on the top right section of the screen to skip. We're gonna skip this. As you can see, this is the basic format of a server. On this page, you'll see this is called text channels, which is the category. Every category can have a lot of channels. Okay, as you can see, the text channels category has only one channel, which is general chat. Okay, that's one of the channels in the text channels category. If you want to create more channels, you're gonna click on the three dots on the top right. As you can see, Adam server. You're gonna click on that, and you get the option to create a channel, or you can create a category if you want to. Let's create a channel. For instance, we're gonna name this Adam's channel. You can choose if this is a text channel or this is a voice channel, or if you want this channel to be private. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna click on create on the top right, and there you go. As you can see, that's the Adam's channel. Now if you want to create a text channel or a voice channel, you can just click on those options. Now let's see how to create a category. Okay, click on the three dots again and click on create a category. Now name the category. I'll just name it Adam, and you can choose if you want this category to be private. I'm not gonna do that. Click on create once you're done on the top right, as you can see. And as you can see, that's the category in the bottom, Adam, called Adam. You can add channels to this category. As you can see, let's see how you can add a channel to this category. Let's see, I want to transfer this Adam's channel to the Adam category. So we're gonna hold on to this channel, Adam's channel, and we're gonna scroll down and click on edit channel. And as you can see, there's an option which is called category, and it says uncategorized. We're gonna click on that, and we're gonna click on Adam because we want to add this channel to the Adam category. And once you've done that, and that's pretty much it. You can save it on the top right, go back, and there you go. As you can see, the Adam channel has been transferred to the Adam category, and that's pretty much it. And you can just send messages to this categories or channels in this channel, and there you go. That's how you create a server on Discord.